This Legal Minute is brought to you by Tarasio Law Group.
Hi, I'm Allison Delvecchio, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about child custody. Most people think that custody entails both parenting time, child support, and decision-making. It's three completely different things. Custody relates to who gets to make decisions for the child with respect to the educational, medical, and religious needs of the child. There are two types of custody. There's joint legal custody and sole legal custody. Arizona predominantly has a preference for joint legal custody, and this means that both parents work together to make the decisions regarding the education, religion, and medical decisions of the child. However, there are certain instances where joint legal custody just isn't applicable. This is typically when there's domestic violence or substance abuse in the relationship, or when one party has been the predominant decision maker over a course of time. At that point, sole legal custody might be beneficial, where the primary parent makes the decisions regarding the education, religion, and medical aspects of the child. This does not mean that you can just ask any questions or make any decisions on your own. You are still obligated to have a communication with the other parent. However, if you disagree with what the other parent is proposing, you would then get to make that decision. I look forward to working with you and answering all your questions regarding custody. And again, my name is Allison Delvecchio.
More information about Tarasio Law Group can be found at mymodernlaw.com or by calling 480-649-2905.